Hello everyone, welcome to Lady Fire's Kitchen. And today we're having a fiesta! What are we having today? We are having fish tacos. So do you like my decor? I think I did pretty good for being my first time. So let's get with the ingredients. Number one, we're of course gonna have to have fish. This kind of fish, this is tilapia. I only have two slices of tilapia and they're fresh. We're gonna have some coleslaw, we're gonna have some cilantro, relish, of course, and we're gonna have some queso fresco, or queso blanco, or crema. Well, it's not crema, it's really queso. Guacamole, we're gonna have some salsa. This is mild, you can have spicy, whatever you want. This is the seasoning that I'm going to be breading my fish, my tilapia fish with. And you can get it at your local grocery store or at your local fish market. On top of that, we'll have corn tortillas. You can use the white or you can use the yellow corn tortillas. And here we have our pickled onions. These are red onions. And we are going to show you right now how to make it. Okay guys, so since now we know how to make our pickled onions, what we're gonna do is we're going to bread our fish. Let me put this down for a second. Let's go, let's do this. So we're gonna get, of course, I'm gonna get a spoon and we're just gonna throw it in here. That's all we need to do. Make sure that you try to get all the pieces about the same size so they can cook, you know, close to one another. So let me just get those few here. Cover them up with, of course, I don't know why, I love putting my hands on everything that I'm cooking. So they're really well covered, see? Shake them a little bit and we just start adding them up here. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. So now you know what to do next Tuesday. We're going to do fish tacos, right? By the way, I did not put any salt or pepper on the fish. Why? Because this seasoning has it already, has great flavor. So there's no need to add any extra salt or pepper or any other extra seasoning. It's perfect the way it is. Now, if your seasoning needs a little extra, then just add a little bit of salt, pepper, whatever other spices that you would like to add to it. But I thought it was perfect. This seasoning was just amazing. And like I said, I got this seasoning from my local fish store. We do that with the whole fish, all of it. You guys are going to enjoy this recipe. It's very simple. It's very easy. It's just putting together the fish tacos. This is probably super cheap to do at home because with all of this fish, I only paid like probably $7 for the fish. The seasoning was probably $2, $3. So it is an inexpensive meal, but it's going to look fancy the way we're going to finish it. And the way you can do it at home. So minus the decor, but you get decor if you want. You know, make it a happy day. Balloons and everything. Okay, we're done on that department. So here we go. Okay, guys, the cameraman was throwing water in here. That's why the cameramen don't cook. All right, so we're gonna put some olive oil. I try not to like put too much grease, other stuff in there. I just try to put like, right here, see, pan, olive oil. It doesn't have calories. Maybe this one has some calories, but it's kind of healthier, right? So I'm trying to do the healthiest way possible. So what we're going to do, and I already lost one of my tools. Oh, there it is. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna start frying all this fish. Let it sizzle. It's not sizzling enough. It was sizzling a minute ago. Fish never takes that long, okay? So it probably will take maybe 2 minutes. That's the great thing about this. Also, you can use chicken instead if that's what you prefer. If you're allergic to fish or you don't like fish or whatever, you can do that. Or you can use shrimp. I have done it with shrimp, really good as well. Ah, look at this beautiful golden brown. Wonderful. And I'm going to throw a little bit of olive oil pan on the top. I think it just needs another 15 seconds and then it should be done. Okay guys, I believe these are 100% done. So I'm just gonna turn this off and we're gonna take them out. Okay guys, so it is time to use our tortillas. So I'm using my little oven here and we're gonna put 3. Actually this is very neat because if you want 3 or you want 2, you switch it around. Okay. And have my little things for if I want a little extra sauce or whatever. But for now, we're just gonna put 3 of these in the oven just to heat them up. They don't need long, maybe 30 seconds or so. So we'll be right back. So my tortillas are already done. So I'm gonna take them out. The whole thing, just a tortilla. It's just warm. I'm gonna put them here, each one on each pocket here. And we're just gonna fill, oh, they smell so good. Then we're gonna fill these up. Since we already have this, we're gonna stuff them up. So, camera here. All right, so we're gonna put our fish. Don't be stingy. You're gonna stuff those up, right? Oh, look, that looks gorgeous, look. And it smells so good. Camera guy is very lucky. He eats everything. Okay, so we're gonna add the rest of the stuff. So I don't even know what to add next. So we're gonna put some of this coleslaw. You like that crunch, don't you? They're gonna be crunchy. It's like a sweet, sour, salty. It's just awesome. We're gonna put a little bit of this. I love the relish. Extra crunchy there. There you go. Let's put a little bit of this pickled onions. It's just a little bit there. There you go. And we're going to add guacamole. Oh, delicious. Mmm. Darn it, this smells good. Guacamole. We have this salsa. You can put a little bit of spice on it if you want. If you don't, that's okay. My husband hates too much spice, but he can tolerate it a little bit. But if you want more spice, go for it. Oh, queso fresco. I like to touch it though. I'm so sorry. Oh, wow. There you go, there's your queso fresco. And I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro on top, right? Why not? All right, so we're gonna put some of this. I have not mentioned this, but if you find, even if it's, this is actually avocado cilantro, but if you find also a dressing that has avocado cilantro, you can also put it on there so that this is really good. That's the one I prefer. And we just gotta put some on it. There you go, there you go. Put some there. You can also put some sour cream because some people love sour cream. I love sour cream. Put it in here. So some people really like some lime, so I'm gonna put it here, just in case I want to squeeze a little bit of lime on top of that. And I think we are done. This is going to be absolutely delicious. That's why we have Taco Tuesdays. Because look at this. How can you resist this? Thank you y'all for spending this time with me, and I hope that we can share another mouth-watering success next Saturday after Flat Cap and Lady Fire. All right? Thank you so much for joining me. It's been a great time. Loves and kisses. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.